Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 10th, 2024, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the JigsawSudoku number. This will be number 8511. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box, 1 and a 2. Well, we have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also, dual box, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? Here, only 1. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle of the box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. Here, box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, we have a quadra box. But I cannot fill those numbers yet. Insufficient information right now. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. There's more. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, this one. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, the T shape, do we have more? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. More? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember, it's rotated. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so and that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area supposed to be here. Then These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadro box. Should be here. Then this box can be 2, that box can be 2, and this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes surrounding 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surrounding 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box. 1 numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we need a 1 in this area, and those 2 boxes can be 1. So if we place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be 1. So this box should be definitely a 3, and that box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes in with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Is connected with that box 4 and 5. We have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Then let me see. 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box. 1 numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. 4 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. Come on. Go up. This box can be 4. So the 4 could... Oh. Is connected with each other. 3 and a 4. Well, we need a 2 here. This box can be 2, so that box should be 2. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Then how about these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. It's connected with that box, should be so. Oh, wait. 1 conclusion. 3, okay. Well, this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here. Come on. What's happening? 1, 2, need a 3, 4, 5. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. If eliminated here, the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this W area, same for number 4. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this box, wait, this box, need to wait. 4 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there, is connected with that box, should be so 4. Then this box can be 3, so 3 go, and that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there, is connected with that box, should be so 2. I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Well, this box can be 1, so that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. It's connected with that box, so 3 and 5, so I need a 4 here. I need to wait. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. And this one is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left, numbers 4 and a 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. We go up, 3 and a 5. Alright, need a 4 here. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4. This should be also 3 or a 5. I'm stuck here. Oh, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've eliminated there the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. Finishing 12 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. 0 stars. Faster than 14-15 minutes. So well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend. Bye bye for now.